Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 3 Theory of Equations. Exercise 3.3 question number 4. We want to determine the value of k and solve the cubic equation 2x cubed minus 6x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0. Here, one of its roots is twice the sum of the other two roots. Additional information about the roots. So, find the value of k here and solve this cubic equation. What is given? One of its root is twice the sum of the other two roots. Suppose if you declare the roots be first root alpha, second root may be beta, the third root will be twice the sum of the other two roots. That is 2 times alpha plus beta. Declare the two roots are alpha and beta. The third root will be twice sum of the other two roots. That is 2 times alpha plus beta. Let us see the proof. Given 2x cubed minus 6x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0. Now a will be 2 x cube quotient, b will be minus 6 x square quotient, c will be x coefficient and constant d will be k. Let the roots be alpha, beta and 2 times alpha plus beta. Now sum of the root minus b by a, alpha plus beta plus 2 times alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b minus 6 by a 2. This is alpha plus beta twice plus alpha. So 3 times alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus into minus plus 6 by 2 3. 3 cancel, alpha plus beta equal to 1. Now sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. That is plus minus plus c by a. That is alpha into beta. Next these two. 2 times alpha plus beta into beta. Next these two. 2 times alpha plus beta into alpha, which is equal to, what is c? 3. A, that is 2. Got it? I'll repeat. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, c by a, which is 3 by 2. That is alpha into beta. 2 times alpha plus beta into beta. Then 2 times alpha plus beta into alpha. Now alpha plus beta is 1. Substitute here. Now substitute alpha plus beta equal to 1 here. So this will be alpha beta 1 into beta, that is 2 beta. 2 into 1 into beta, 2 beta, that is 2 into 1 into alpha, 2 alpha, which is equal to 3 by 2. Alpha beta, I'll take 2 common, it will be alpha plus beta. What is again alpha plus beta? 1. So 1 into 2, it will be 2. Alpha beta, this 2 comes here, 3 by 2 minus 2. It will be minus 1 by 2 when you take LCM. 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 2. See, we have alpha plus beta equal to 1 and alpha beta equal to minus half. From this 1, what is alpha? 1 minus beta. Alpha equal to 1 minus beta. Substitute here. 1 minus beta into beta equal to minus half. Multiply. Beta into 1 beta minus beta square minus half. Cross multiply. 2 beta minus 2 beta square equal to minus 1. When it comes to the right hand side, 2 beta square minus 2 beta minus 1 equal to 0. See, minus 2 beta square comes here plus 2 beta square plus 2 beta comes here minus 2 beta, already minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from the sum of the root I am getting alpha plus beta equal to 1. And sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, finally I am getting alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 2. When you replace alpha as 1 minus beta here, I am getting a quadratic equation in terms of beta. Now factorize. Beta equal to minus b minus, what is b? Beta coefficient. Minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c. Got it? By 2a. Beta equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c. Is it clear? Therefore, beta will be minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus, what is this? 4. This is plus 8. 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus. 8 plus 4, 12 by 2 2s are 4. Therefore, beta equal to, when you, 2 plus or minus 12 can be written as 4 into 3. It will be 2 root 3 by 4. When you take 2 common, 1 plus or minus root 3 by 4. It will be 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So in this case, beta equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. If you choose beta equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2, what is alpha? 1 minus beta. So 1 minus of 1 plus root 3 by 2. When you take LCM, 2 minus 1 minus root 3 by 2. It will be 1 minus root 3 by 2. So we are getting the value of alpha here, 1 minus root 3 by 2. And if we choose beta as 1 plus root 3 by 2. 2 times alpha plus beta. Third root, 2 times alpha plus beta, which is equal to 2 times alpha plus beta. 1 minus root 3 by 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2. It will be 2 LCM, root 3 cancel by 2. So we are getting the third root as 2. So in this case the roots are alpha 1 minus root 3 by 2, comma beta 1 plus root 3 by 2, comma 2 times alpha plus beta, which is nothing but 2. Got it? So finally the cubic equation whose roots we declared as alpha, beta, 2 times alpha plus beta. So alpha value 1 minus root 3 by 2, beta value 1 plus root 3 by 2, comma 2 times alpha plus beta gives 2. So this is the roots for the required cubic equation. But in this case you want to find out the value of k. K appear in the constant version. So product of the root. What is product of the root? Plus, minus, plus, minus. So minus d by a gives the product of the root. So what is the product? Alpha into beta into 2 times alpha plus beta. What is d by a? K by 2. K by 2. Alpha plus beta is 1 in this case. So I will substitute here. And alpha beta I have here. So when you substitute these values, 1 minus root 3 by 2 into 1 plus root 3 by 2 into 2 into 1, which gives minus k by 2. So when you multiply a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square 1, root 3 into root 3, 3. This 2 cancel here and this 2 cancel here, which is equal to minus k. So k value will be 2. How it will come? 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus minus cancel. K will be 2. So finally we got the value of k by using product of the root. Product of the root is minus d by a. That is minus k by 2. What is the product? Alpha into beta into 2 times alpha plus beta. Alpha value 1 minus root 3 by 2. Beta value 1 plus root 3 by 2. 2 times alpha plus beta is 1. So when you replace 2 cancel, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 3, minus 2, minus minus cancel, k equal to 2. Is it clear?